Welcome to the Beach Show. I've got a beautiful house ready for you. Let's go take a look. Great open living space. Ample space here in this beautiful beach kitchen. Love these design details in this spacious main ensuite. Added space for more guests or pleasure. Your beachside oasis. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you, and subscribe to thebeachshow.com.